I think this is what happens when your window air conditioner falls out of the window and goes down several stories to the ground. This thing is absolutely smashed. This came in as scrap the other day. I don't think it's salvageable. Big holes in it. Don't even know what brand it was. Oh wait, there. Room air conditioner, 240 volts, 4.2 amps, manufactured by a unit of Email Limited, Australia. Okay, it's not a Chinese thing, it's Australian. R22, 14 ounces. Let's plug it in and see what it does. I don't know what position the thermostat thing, because there's no dial or fascia. Let's just turn it on and see what happens. Hey, the compressor's working. Fan obviously isn't. It's jammed in there. I can hear pressure coming through the evaporator. I don't know if the system's leaking or not, but I can hear pressure going through the evap coil. The cover came off alright. Definitely trashed though. Looks like the kind of aluminium you'd find on an RV or camper van trailer. Maybe that's what it came out of. Wrecked caravan. Light enough. Still an old design though. The fan's jammed against the condensing coil. A very old style compressor. It's like an old R12 Kelvinator compressor. Or email compressor. Yuck. High temp on the discharge line. I don't think it's actually busted. Not leaking. Well, I probably have a slow leak. Oh, well, it's going to clatter like mad, but we'll just give it a try anyway. Well, it is cooling. We've got condensation building up on the coil. There's still gas in it. It's a bit of a bugger because I was hoping to get to chop it up right now, but I've got to get it recovered now. A lot of heat coming out of the condenser. I guess old email units just never die. I guess this is why you shouldn't use dish soap to wash coils out. I just gave it a quick bath to get some of the dirt out of it and it's just foaming up. Obviously there's still some residue in there. Getting cooler though, it is working. high temperature on the condensing coil, that's for sure. And just because it's outside, it's not working so well. Still works. Bubble machine.